1941 UK 1 penny coin. We're diving into the heart of World War II to look at a coin that holds a fascinating secret, the 1941 UK 1 penny. Now, you might think a coin from a year of intense conflict would be incredibly rare, but the reality is more complex. However, within this common coin lies the potential for a discovery that could be worth not just thousands, but potentially millions. Yes, I said millions. Let's be clear up front. A standard 1941 UK penny is a common, circulated coin, usually worth just a few pounds to the average collector. But this coin's story is the key to its hidden treasure. Because of wartime production choices, finding a truly significant error or a unique strike would create a numismatic sensation, one that could command an unbelievable price at auction. Here's the paradox. The 1941 UK penny was not struck for general circulation in Great Britain. Due to the shortage of copper and the focus on the war effort, the Royal Mint stopped producing pennies for domestic use between 1941 and 1944. However, the 1941 dated coins were struck, but only for use in the colonies, such as those in the Caribbean and Africa. So, the coins exist, and they are not exactly rare, but they are technically colonial issues. This makes finding one in top, uncirculated condition from that period still quite challenging and desirable. A common, circulated 1941 penny is often worth less than £5. If a standard 1941 penny is only worth a few pounds, how do we get to millions? The answer lies in minting anomalies, mistakes so rare and profound that they rewrite numismatic history. We look at two primary types that, if found on a 1941 coin, would be the most valuable UK penny find of the modern era. 1. The transferred die error. This is the ultimate mule error, and the type that pushes values into the millions. This happens when the die of one coin is accidentally paired with the planchet, blank coin, or even the die of a completely different coin. For a 1941 penny to hit millions, it would likely need to be struck on the wrong planchet. A 1941 penny struck on a much rarer denomination's planchet, like a silver threepence or an entirely different metal alloy, a true mule. A 1941 penny die accidentally paired with the die of another coin, such as a shilling or a foreign coin die that the Royal Mint was producing at the time. A unique, authenticated mule error could, based on the precedent set by other British rarities, command a price in the hundreds of thousands of pounds, with the possibility of surpassing the £1 million mark due to its one-of-a-kind nature and historical setting during World War II. 2. The missing date/major strike-through error, less likely to hit millions, but highly valuable. These are dramatic errors where the date is completely missing, or a major foreign object interfered with the strike, creating a massive, distinct indentation or a blockage, a mirror image of one side pressed onto the other. Let's keep one foot on the ground. The most valuable regular 1941 UK penny is one in mint state, MS, a flawless uncirculated condition, which might fetch between £100 and £500 depending on the collector market and its rarity for a colonial issue. Minor errors you might find, like a small die crack or a minor off-center strike, where the design is slightly askew, would typically sell for tens or hundreds of pounds, not millions. But every coin collector needs to know the difference between a minor error and that one in a billion mistake that could change your life. So, how do you check your 1941 penny? Look closely at the metal. Does the coin look or feel different? The 1941 UK penny should be bronze. If it's the wrong metal, it could be a major planchet error. Inspect the design, use a 10x magnifying glass or jeweler's loupe. Look for clear doubling on the legend, George of 6D, GBR, OMN, Rex F laughing face, IND, IMP on the obverse and 1 penny on the reverse. Check the edges. Are the edges smooth or unusual? A flat or odd edge could indicate a broad strike or wrong planchet error. Look for mismatches. Is there anything on the coin that clearly doesn't belong? This is your mule error indicator. If you find something that looks truly unique, a wrong metal, a significant mismatch, or a dramatic error, do not clean the coin. Cleaning will destroy the numismatic value. Protect it and consult a professional grading service like NGC or PCGS to authenticate your find. That humble 1941 coin might be your piece of wartime history that turns into a fortune.